Hi, everybody. So, welcome to the Craft My Career debate on uniforms, whether they are needed or not needed. We have our participants, Hriday, Sunny, Arnav, Jayant, Girish, and Chinmay. We have our lead tutor, Shreya. Thanks, Shreya, for being here and moderating this event. The topic today is uniforms, whether needed or not needed. All right, let's start.
Can I
Yes,
speak?
yes.
I'm speaking for school uniforms needed. School uniforms are needed should be needed up to a certain standard, up to 12th standard, because for the discipline of the student and to inculcate sincerity and discipline in the student.
Okay, Jayant.
I partially agree with what Sunny says. His point made was school uniforms are necessary. I agree with that, but I think there further to that, if it nullifies the social difference between all the children in institution like school, there should be no differences or any such thoughts coming into the innocent minds. And my second point is that there are totally different fashions for all, and I think if all children have have permanent uniform, then it also depicts their unity as an institution.
Yes. Anybody wants to counter that or support? Yes, Hriday?
Not counter. I want to support.
Support. Okay.
I really would support Jayan's point. But I also have another point. I feel that school uniforms, I feel that looking at different colors enhances the creative mind in a child. I also feel that without school uniforms, we can live because we have ID cards to show our identity to the school.
Okay. So that's a point which is against. Are you sure you were supporting the argument?
Yes, I said school I don't think we need them. I feel that looking at different colors enhances the creative mind, and I also feel that we can live without wearing school uniforms since ID cards exist to show our identity.
So are uniforms needed or not needed? Which
They
side
are
are you
not,
on? They are not needed. Okay, fine. Anybody else? Yes, Jayant?
I'm oppose Hriday's point, because if he says that colors enhances a child's mind, I think so to some extent that's okay, but mostly when children grow up at to a certain level like 7th 8th, maybe that would create differences between them, that your clothes are fashionable, mine are not. So these differences lead to conflict, and leading to conflict in schools is at such mere age is not something which is expected.
I'm sorry, but I don't think that it can lead to conflict because since I said that looking at colors enhances the creative mind, I never said that it will create any arguments in between students. It will in turn make them say that wow, this color is so nice. Won't you get bored if you just see the same color at school all the time? I would definitely get bored.
Yeah, I'd like to say that everything has a reaction. So if you say that it enhances you, I agree with Jan's point that it first thing it brings unity, and secondly it will create differentiations because some people are rich, some people are not. So who are very rich, they'll buy clothes from expensive brands and they'll try to show off when they are in school, or it happens in colleges that they try to show off. So I'd agree with Jan's point that school uniform are needed in school or college.
Okay, but if they will show off, but if you know Indian schools, no one even cares about how good your clothes are. They just look at if you're wearing a uniform or not. They are very straightforward. They just look at if you're wearing a uniform or not. If I find if someone finds if some teacher finds a student not wearing a uniform, they will straight away mark him absent. I don't get
Yeah.
that. He's
No.
standing there as a human being, and but just because of a uniform, he's being marked absent.
See, I see. If there is a if people wear uniform, it will show how disciplined you are and how well to do you are to the data. That will help when you go for interviews. If you are wearing formal clothes, it will help you present well in people. So should be put from when we are small only. It should be put into us that we should be formal when we go outside.
Yes, I agree. I agree that definitely, but uniform doesn't determine discipline, because everyone wears uniforms in school, but no one, but in most of the school no one stands in line or does anything. But so better than wearing uniforms, wear the comfortable clothes, because some children have allergies to cotton, which the school provides.
I want to speak
Jayant,
against.
Jayant. Sunny, one moment, please. Jayant has been raising his hand. Yes,
Okay.
Jayant.
See, Hriday, you are talking about people wearing all sort of different fashions. I think if you tell about there is something, a concept of house t-shirts in our schools. There many maybe 3-4 colors people are divided into, but when it comes about total fashioning, in today's world, fashion is very different from what you consider as house t-shirts, because fashion
Okay, Jayant, point made. Sunny?
I want to speak against Hriday.
Yeah.
He told that doesn't inculcate discipline in the student. Actually, so uniforms. There is a uniform for every occupation. Like army has uniforms of army, and navy has uniforms navy. In navy, they do not go as a formal shirt. So informal shirt. So the uniform is necessary to inculcate discipline and order in the person.
Yeah, but we are talking about school and army
School is
uniform.
also an institution.
What? Sorry.
School is also an institution like army, navy.
Yeah, but school consists of kids, and army consists of people 21 and above. There's a
Okay, is it okay? It is okay. It is no difference between.
Okay. Sunny, point made. Girish?
I strongly believe that uniforms are not necessary because they take the right from the children to express themselves through fashion.
Yes, Sunny? Sorry, Jayant. Sunny? Sunny, quick.
No, I have no point.
Okay. Yes, Jayant?
It is said that children at a young age, their minds are sensitive to their surrounding. So I think at that point of time, the manners and discipline should be at to its peak. And if disunity begins from such a low age, I don't think India's future is bright then.
Girish? You've raised your hand.
No, ma'am. It's already raised. I don't know how to lower it.
Okay. Last 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, Jayant?
Ma'am, also I would like to mention that the differences between rich and poor in today's time also they are much, and if school uniforms doesn't happen, then maybe our further generations, they will also continue and the gap will widen.
First of all, poor people, rich and poor. If you
Yeah,
want to
same.
say that most people who attend private schools are middle class and rich people. But I'm talking about the entire education system, which is most of government schools, as I mentioned in the previous debate, it's 65.2%. So poor people can't afford all the uniforms which are required. So therefore, I want to conclude that uniforms should not be are not compulsory.
Anybody else raised hand other than Jayant?
No, Girish, no,
Girish? You want to make a concluding remark?
I thought.
Arnav? Yes, Jayant.
Ma'am,
I want to make a point.
Yes, Sunny.
Ma'am, Hriday once told now that people could not afford school uniform. It is not as expensive as formal or informal clothes. It is of moderate expense, so we can afford.
Okay, Jayant, you want to make a concluding remark?
Ma'am, Hriday mentioned about the uniforms, whether as in many government schools, uniforms and books are given for free. If you have heard about the programs which governments are starting, they have midday meal. They have various such programs. They give books and uniforms free, so that they inculcate that unity in children, that they don't feel that they are left out. As there has been traditions which follow, like the tradition, Dalits, they used to be separated. They used to get separated from the class. So on what basis? That's a different caste point. But if also we see in fashion point, then the gap will widen. Actually, it will widen.
Okay. Anything else anyone wants to say?
But if you look at today, most children don't even care about discrimination. All the children, like if you look at, I'm talking about children who are fifth, sixth, seventh standards. They are always, no matter how their friend looks or how financially strong their friend is, they will always be friends with them.
So,
Okay.
ma'am, can I say a point?
Any last comment? Only one comment.
Yes, may I?
Yes,
May I?
Arnav.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in today's world, everybody is dependent on fashion. Every next person you see is fashion enthusiast. Everyone wants to expend. Everyone wants to buy expensive clothes. So whatever the point is not it's not right.
Okay, fine. Okay, we close the debate. Concluding statements all made. Jayant, you got your chance to make your concluding statement. We'll take this to Shreya. Shreya, your observations, please.
Yeah, so I would say that I think Chinmay was not participating, right? So I have not put any points for him.
Yeah.
But I thought that good initiative from Jayant, from Hriday, and from Arnav. Sunny and Girish also participated, but maybe some more points you could have made.
She wanted to add one point.
Okay, please add.
Ma'am, as Hriday said that free uniforms are distributed, as Jayant said, but as far as I know, free things don't last for very long, hardly 3 to 4 months. But if we wore those damaged things and went to school, the teachers will shout on us that why is this particular thing damaged? We should have gone repair it. But what will the poor people do about it if the particular thing is damaged?
Okay, so thank you, Girish. So good, you also made some points here. Initiative, I thought that Jayant and Hriday, you all really showed initiative. Arnav and Sunny also showed initiative.
I was feeling alone, like because all three of them were going against me, and then suddenly Girish came and supported.
Okay, in terms of vocabulary, I thought everybody's vocabulary could improve. I thought that the English which was used, many different words could be used and phrases could be used to enhance the speeches. Delivery wise, I thought Hriday did a very good job, Jayant as well, good on delivery. Girish, as usual, good energy and passion. Sunny, your delivery needs to be a little smoother when you are speaking, because if you pause, then the person who's listening also wants to know what more you want to say. And Arnav, some voice modulation again is my feedback to you.
Okay. Can I say something? Okay. Sunny, very well done. I'm very happy to see the way you spoke. I purposely picked you up first this time because I know he's always wanting to get that preference, कि मेरा नाम पहले ले लो. Okay, Sunny, you did a really good job today. Okay, so I'm very happy to see the way you have communicated and put across your relevant points. Just that if you keep working on it and keep talking more and more, your confidence will automatically improve. Your thoughts are there. You only have to practice more.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, very good. Hriday, very good resilience for holding up against the gang war against you. Okay, very nicely held up and good thinking on the spot. Okay, Jayant, good fight up when somebody else is trying to talk against you. You were actually thinking, you were making points. Very nice. You raised your hands multiple times, not wanting to give up, fighting spirit. Very good. Arnav also, he was also picking up. Arnav, very good. If you have a good sense of humor and a good smile, Arnav, use it well. I'm telling you again and again, that smile of yours can be a good weapon. Okay. Girish, he suddenly spotted Hriday Akela hai. Let me catch hold of him. Let me support him. I don't know what happened, but suddenly he sprung out of nowhere and and it became a team. It was very beautiful to see how the entire transition came through. If I had to independently judge, then I would have probably said that yes, basis the last comment that Girish made and the numbers that Hriday threw up, I would say that yes, we probably don't need to have uniforms. Okay, so great. I would now like you all to give me feedback as to how was this experience of impromptu debate.
I was feeling boosted, like I was feeling like, chalo और थोड़ा करते हैं.
और थोड़ा करते हैं. Yes, Sunny.
That intensity.
Ma'am, we got to know that we have to think on the spot and
Absolutely, on the spot and immediate, spontaneous. Therefore, the knowledge of pre-learned vocabulary, extremely important. Okay, concise creation of sentences, very, very important. Yes, Arnav.
Ma'am, I'd like to say that on this spontaneous debate, I could make up points which would help me afterwards.
Yes, yes, very good. Yes. Anybody else? Yes, Jen. Jen, the debate is over. You can put your mic off. Yeah.
Mic off.
I mean, you can put your mic on. You can talk. Yeah.
Ma'am, mind has to process really fast here because the moment some person makes the point against you, you have to counter attack at the same time. Thinking time is much less.
Yes.
And your mind is constantly under pressure that yes, you have to come with some point. You have to stick with your point.
Yes, yes. Does that explain to you the importance of communication and mastery over language?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because if you have not practiced your communication techniques and you have not mastered your language, no matter how strong your thoughts are, you will not be able to create an impact. Right? So great. I am very happy with the workshop. Brilliant work, Shreya. Thank you so much for grooming all these kids, and we'll hope to see you all at level 2.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, everyone.